Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy S24 FE with flat design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 88% screen to body ratio. Approximately 385 ppi pixel density, 1900 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+. Support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel 75mm telephoto 3x optical zoom camera with aperture 2.4, and with 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 10 megapixel 26mm front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is Deca-core up to 3.11 GHz, powered by Samsung Exynos 2400e 4nm chipset, paired with Xclipse 940 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162 by 77.3 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 213 grams, and the color options, gray, yellow, blue, graphite, mint colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4700 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port. Galaxy AI features like Circle to search, Live Translate, Interpreter, Browsing Assist, Photo Assist, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has been priced in Europe for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €749, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at €809. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy S24 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.